Hey, how's it going, everyone? If you're new to the channel, this is New Touch Auto. This video, I'm going to show you how this customer went from this to this. So in this video, I'm going to pretty much take you through a quick process to show you how to change the look of your vehicle within hours. We're going to be working with the plasti dip products today, which will go for the Anthracite Gray finish. Now this finish will look way better than what you see right now. But we're going to go ahead and get started and display everything across the screen. This concludes the end of the video. If you'd like to see more, Feel free to check out the rest of our videos we've uploaded thus far. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.